Route 67, Platt, Michigan, from the Meyer, Carpenter Road. This is a loop run, therefore your fare box shall always remain on inbound. Starting from the bus shelter at the Meyer and Carpenter Road, proceed to the first stop sign. We will make a left. We will proceed through the first stop sign, and we will make a right at the second stop sign, which is Ellsworth. We will be exiting the Myers compound the same way that the inbound number 6 leaves the Myers parking lot, making a right here at Ellsworth. The first stop is on the other side of this intersection, Carpenter Road. We will be utilizing the same stops as the 6 and the 5 until we have reached Platt Road. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. As we approach the incline, there are no more stops on Ellsworth. Proceed to get over in the left lane. At the next traffic light will be Platt Road. We will be making a left turn. Immediately following the turn, there is a bus stop. Here at Platt and Ellsworth, this is a tying point. Stop approaching. Bus stop approaching. will be a bus stop here at the bridge field. Bus stop approaching here at the Multicultural Center. At the traffic light is Michigan Avenue. We will make a right turn onto Michigan Avenue. Making our right onto Michigan Avenue. Want to get over into the center lane as you're going to make your left turn into the Pittsfield Township Hall here at the administration building. As we approach our stop here at the Pittsfield Township Hall, this is a time point. Off to the left, you'll see there they have a little market going. That's actually where we'll make our left turn to exit the parking lot. But for the time being, we're going to make our left at the first street. Normal route is to continue straight through the back side. Just a slight deviation here, which is no big deal as we be coming out to the right here. At the stop sign, we're going to make a right turn back on the Platt Road. Approaching. At the next corner is Warners Creek. We will make a right turn. After we make our right turn here at Warner Creek Drive, we're gonna make a quick U-turn just prior to making it to the stop sign. There's ample space to make a successful U-turn here. And you'll see our sign approaching on the right side. From here, we will make a left back onto Platt Road. Please stop approaching at Primrose. It is our last stop on Platt. At the traffic light, it's Michigan Avenue again. We will make a left turn onto Michigan Avenue. Making our turn onto Michigan Avenue. Our next turn is in an obscure location. It is into the Saline Meadows Mobile Home Park, which is on Timber Lane. However, Timber Lane is not marked. So for landmarks, you want to use the upcoming nursery. Off to the right, you'll see the Nature's Garden Center, the nursery to the right. Once you have passed it, and at the next corner on the left is Warner Road, you'll see this acceleration lane to the right. That's not your turn, but immediately past that acceleration lane is a right turn lane onto Timber Lane, just before the bridge. It is here where you'll make your right turn, and you'll enter into the mobile home park. Be very careful and come through very slow, as there are speed bumps inside of this community. There's only one stop as we're passing this to the left there, so we won't service it until we are headed back out. So coming into the mobile park, you're going to pass the small street Timothy here. Proceed through very slow. Again, be wary of the speed bumps. We're going to make a right turn here at Aspen Drive. At the stop sign here, it's Pond Side. We will make a right turn. The streets are rather narrow, so please exercise extreme caution in this community. Speed bump. At the traffic sign, here is Timothy Court. We're going to make a right turn. Stop sign here, we're back at Timothy Lane, speed bump. We'll make a left turn. And just beyond the mailbox structure here, you will see our temporary bus stand that's here. This is also a time point here inside the mobile home park. speed bump here. Proceeding out of the park, at the stop sign, we're back at Michigan Avenue. We will make a right turn. Traffic is rather fast here on Michigan, so make certain you are aware of the speed conditions out here. There are no more stops prior to servicing the Walmart. Next corner, we will be making a right turn on Old State Road. We will actually be servicing the Walmart parking area from the back side of the Walmart, making our right turn here at Old State Road. Then the first driveway on the left, we will make a left turn into it. And once we have reached the back of the building, we will make a right turn. We're going to veer off to the right. Staying on the service drive, we'll now veer to the left. And our bus stop sign is approaching at the stop sign. This is the first of 2 stops that we service here inside of this parking lot. At this point, this is a time point here at the Walmart. From here, we will proceed straight through the stop sign. Continuing down this last aisle of the parking lot. At the end, we're going to veer to the left. As we approach the next stop sign, you'll notice our second bus stop to service inside of the Walmart parking structure here. At this stop sign, we will make a right turn. This will take us back out of the parking lot, and it will take us to State Road. It is here at State Road we will make a left turn. Making our left on the State Road. As we approach the light, it's Michigan Avenue. We're going to make a left. Immediately following this left back onto Michigan Avenue, we have a bus stop. Making our left Back onto Michigan Ave. Stop approaching. Passing Warner Road. Continuing on Michigan Avenue, we will be making our next turn at the Pittsfield Town Hall. I'm going to make certain that we don't turn into the first stop, that's for police and fire. We're going to make our right turn into the administration building parking lot. Be servicing this stop for the second time, and again, this is a time point. We're now back to Platt Road. Again, we will make a right turn. Stop approaching at Hidden Creek. Next corner is Warner Creek. We will make our right turn. And again, as earlier, when we make our right turn, we will make a U-turn to the left just prior to the stop sign. Where we will service our stop. From the stop, we will make a left turn back on the Platt Road. Back on Platt Road, there will be no more turns until we have reached Ellsworth. back at Michigan Avenue. We will continue straight across. There's a stop approaching at the Multicultural Academy. There is a stop approaching here at Lily Park. At the traffic light is Ellsworth Road. We will make a right turn. Making our right onto Ellsworth. Stop approaching. For the rest of the way, we will be servicing the same stops as the 5 and the number 6 route, just prior to reaching Myers Carpenter Road. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. As we approach Carpenter Road, there's one more stop on the other side of the intersection prior to getting over to the left to make your left turn into the Myers parking lot. Crossing Carpenter Road. This is our last serviceable stop before we veer to the left. Make our left into the Carpenter Road, Myers. We'll stop approaching here at the IHOP. And we'll make our left into the shuttle stand, thus concluding Route 67, Platt, Michigan, here at the Myers and Carpenter Road.